Alright, so we're outside Corns in Mizue, which is in Tokyo area, with
Yuki.
So Yuki's car is a 1993 NA6, and lots of Jetstream parts. Jetstream headlight, Jetstream signal, Jetstream lip, Jetstream lip. Also has Jetstream side skirts, and I might steal that idea because I love the way that looks. A lot better than mine. BBS, yeah, BBS wheels, and kind of looks like a minty color, but it has a flake to it. I'm not sure if you guys could see that, but there's a metal flake on this car, and it looks pretty awesome. I'm not really into bright colored cars. I mean, my red is kind of bright, but this is pretty awesome. He has a garage very taillight panel, and I showed him the Hydron taillights. I think he's gonna get a set because this thing looks amazing. Oh, fog light. We got fog light there. He's rocking Toyo R1Rs, which is awesome because, you know, anything Toyo is always amazing. The light on. There you go. Why did he put the light sideways?
Bozo style.
Oh, Bozo style. I like that. It's pretty cool. He's gonna do ITBs on this thing in the future. Toyota cams. Looks like what brand? No, we know. Random brand pipe. Not sure what brand this is, this strut brace, but it's a pretty cool car. Still work in progress. He's not done with it yet. This is a pretty cool cowl cover here, and yeah, man, that's pretty cool. I want to see these lights work. Will these turn on? Language pair. I'm trying to do my best here. That is clean. I like that. So a few months ago, I actually ordered myself a set of these Jetstream signal lights. So hopefully they're in soon. He also has this, I guess it's just a headlight conversion, but I love my pop-ups, but that looks really good still. And yeah, man, he drove about 40 minutes to come here to meet us at Corns. Pretty cool guy. He follows the page, so always nice to see friends in person. We're gonna turn this thing on, see how it sounds. Sounds good. Smells very rich. Why is it rich?
Why is it rich? なんでなんか濃く匂うんですけど。
すごいもう濃くセッティングされて、カムシャフトとかも入ってて。
Because of the cams and stuff, in order for it to be able to idle and stuff, down low it's pretty rich. So it's not running at 40.7. It's probably like maybe 40.2, low 14s somewhere there in terms of the range.
If you guys are saying he looks familiar, yes, this is Harry Potter working at Corns.
Australian Potter.